Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp to keep your conversation secure. Whether it's a sensitive conversation or just for extra privacy, locking chats is a simple way to ensure your messages stay protected. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is up to date so you have access to the latest features, including chat locking. Once you're in the app, go ahead and open the chat you want to lock. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, whatever you want to keep secure. Next, tap the chat name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat settings, where you can customize the chat's privacy options. Scroll down until you find the option that says Chat Lock. Tap on it to access the chat lock settings. Now tap Continue. This will prompt you to verify your identity before enabling the lock. Depending on your device, you'll either be asked to enter your password or scan your fingerprint. This step ensures that only you can unlock and access the chat. Once your password or fingerprint is verified, the chat will be locked. From now on, you'll need to authenticate to view the chat, giving you extra peace of mind when it comes to your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully locked a chat on WhatsApp. Now your conversation is protected and can only be unlocked by you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.